Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here is an commercial problem where we have a question that says pen and book costs $1.20 in total. The pen costs $1 more than the book. How much does the pen cost? Before solving this, if you know how we can solve this quickly, we can drop it in the comment box. So let's get into it. Since the sum of the pen and the book, they both cost $1.20, and we have the actual price of the pen, which is $1, and it is more than the book. So therefore, suppose we don't know the price of the book, and which we are to let, if we let the price of the book to be an alphabet, it's because I'm going to solve this by algebra. So if you let the cost of the book to be equals M, and this is in dollar. Suppose we have it as $M, and the pen is $1 more than the book. So therefore, the price of the pen will becomes M plus 1 in dollar. And since it costs $1 more than the book, so that's why we are adding 1 to the price of the pen. Then after getting this, we are going to sum this together because their total is $1.20. So therefore, we are going to add the price of the pen plus the price of the book, so which everything equals 1.20. So if the pen is given as M plus 1, then plus the book is given as M equals 1.20. So therefore, adding this together, M plus M, that gives us 2M. So this is bracket, so we open it and then we add M plus M together. Then plus 1 equals 1.20. And to get the value of M, we are going to subtract 1 from both sides. So here we have 2M equals 1.20 minus 1. And this gives us 1.20 minus 1, that is 0.20. So to get M, we divide both sides by 2. So if 2 cancels 2, we are going to have M equals, so 0.1 in dollar. So here is the value of M, which is the cost of the book. So therefore, you can now conclude that the book price, cost price, is given as $0.1, and the price of the pen, which we are asked to find, is given as $1.00 plus 0.1. So adding this together, we are going to have it as $1.1. So therefore, the price of the pen is given as $1.1. So let's put 0 into decimal place. So this is how we solve this, and just as simple as that. So thanks for watching, and what's your review on this problem? Should I keep doing it, or you have a better suggestions? Bye bye.